Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Hey, today I'm going to try to remove a bolt using the washer welding a nut on procedure, and I'm going to get right to it. So let's go. Okay, today I'm going to try to remove a bolt. It's in this chain guide. It's broken off in one of these holes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the washer weld a nut on method and see if we can get that out. We would just stick a washer up there. And then we're going to stick a nut up there on top of that. And see if we can weld that to the washer. Whoops, moved on me. Yeah, get a different nut. I'm going to try a little bigger one. A bigger hole that way. And that one moved too, but maybe it'll give me something to hold on to. It's not feeling good. The washer seems to be on. It's feeling like it's loose. Yep, believe we got her. There we go. Okay, we were successful pulling this off. It doesn't work every time. You noticed I had a little trouble there keeping the nut in place and getting it welded on, but after 3 or 4 times I did manage to get it on there, and it did pull out. It's a lot easier if you can get it to pull out that way than to have to machine it. You know, drilling it and lining everything up and getting things set up in the mill or the drill press or whatever is a lot more difficult and time consuming. So give that way a try. It doesn't take very long. If it works, save you a lot of time. Thanks for going along on the ride. See you next video.